Hey Jason, this is Chance over at eSkill. Pending the approval of that proposal I sent over to you, I just wanted to walk you through how easy it is to set up users and franchises through the eSkill system. So if you look at my screen right here, this is a standard eSkill account, but you guys are a little bit unique. I've given you guys quote-unquote reseller credentials, so you can go through and manage each of your franchises. And what that looks like is right here. So if you go under Account and Client Admin, this is where you can go through and manage all of your franchises and each of your locations and the users underneath each of those. So press on that. And from here we can see that you have 5 current users set up. You can either look at these current users or set up a new user. If you set up a new user, you just press this. Enter their type of account, so it'd be unlimited, whether you want them active or inactive, and then the main contact, so their name, company name, which we'd put their location name in here, the email, phone, address, city, country, state, and then a username and password for that site. Once you're done, you would press submit, and then they'd be added to this list right here. So if you press on this hyperlink, these are all your current customers or clients. You can see their username, the company name, or the location name in your instance, the email, when they were created, when they expire, how many tests they've created, and how many results they've scored. From here, you can also edit their information. So you can make them active or inactive. Change any of their information right here and change their password. Or you have the option of looking into their account. So if you want to say what's going on at La Palma, what are they doing in Florida? We'll press the login button and that'll send you directly to their site. And that looks like this. So you can go through and see what tests they've created, when they created it. You could actually go through and send out tests as if you were them. See all of their candidates coming through. Basically their whole account. All the news on the accounts, when they expire, what type of account they have, how many administrators they have, go through create test, send them out, edit test. Basically you can manage anywhere from 1 to 5,000 franchises directly from your dashboard. And again, pending the approval of that proposal, I'll get everyone set up with training and then get you, if I could get a full list of all your sites, I can go through and set up their credentials. And then after the training, I can go through and activate each one of those so you guys are just ready to go plug in and start sending tests. Please do let me know if you have any questions, and if you wouldn't mind, please send this to anyone in your headquarters that'll be using your admin, so the headquarters admin, so they kind of understand how to go through and set up and look into other franchise locations. Again, thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you.